In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to invite someone to join Wise platform and also earn commission for doing just that. All you just have to do is just log into your Wise account. Then you're going to see recipient down below. Just click on that. Then on the top, you're going to see invite. So just click on that. Then this page will look like this, where you can generate your invitation code for your Wise account. Then click on copy, and you can also share to people who you believe they will be interested in joining Wise. You can see share on WhatsApp, on Messenger, Facebook, email, and other platforms. So you can see they get a free transfer of up to 500 euro when they sign up using your link, and you also get 50 euro when 3 friends send over 200 euros in one go. So you can see same currency transaction don't apply. So you can see enter a referral link, and how does the referral invite program works. Then you can also see other options right there. So that is how you can invite someone to Wise and earn money. You can also track your invites. So if you invite people, you'll be able to see all of them right here. You can see no referral yet. Sound like a great time to get someone new to the board. So you can see how it works.